Hey, you made it. Great to see you.
Whew, yeah, barely made it over here. Things are really hectic in court these days.
Yeah, I hear you. We used to be pretty overwhelmed, too.
Hey, what do you mean you used to be overwhelmed? Does your community magically solve problems outside of the courtroom?
Well, sort of, but it's certainly not magic. We used to handle all kinds of cases in the courtroom, and then we stopped to focus on two key questions. First, what kind of resolution is best for this type of case? And second, what is best for the case participants? The answer for many of our cases was online dispute resolution, or ODR.
We use dispute resolution sometimes too, but it still drains our resources sending mediators all over the state. And the paperwork, it certainly doesn't make my job any easier.
But you missed the online part, my friend. We're able to provide community members with 24/7 access to their case without hiring 24/7 staff. Our mediators, judicial officers, case managers, and other parties are still actively involved in case resolution, but they do it more efficiently. Plus, our ODR system is completely integrated into JWorks, our case management system, so all the paperwork you mentioned flows seamlessly into our existing court processes.
Wow, I had no idea. What do case participants think? Don't they feel robbed of their day in court, so to speak?
Actually, they love it. Going to court can be stressful and traumatic for a lot of people, not to mention the challenges of taking time off work, finding childcare, arranging transportation. Physical court appearances aren't easy. ODR is a great way for people to feel heard, get resolution, and interact with the court in their own way. They can upload documents, make electronic payments, and more right from their device.
If everyone's doing things on their own time, then don't your cases stretch on forever?
No. Believe it or not, cases resolved through ODR close an average of 72% faster. And that's not just true for my court, that's a national average. Plus, courts like ours using ODR see a decrease in defaults and a smaller number of hearings. ODR has made a big difference in our community.
That's incredible! I'm glad I came to this session. I learned more in the last few minutes than I did all morning.
Speaking of the session, we'd better sit back down. It's starting soon.
Where can I find out more about ODR and how to get it started in my court?
We started with the experts at Equivant. They're tech people and they're also former practitioners like us, so they know what we're up against.
Thanks. I'll give them a call this afternoon. Wow, I owe you one.